Morning guys, just on another job, as you'd expect, seeing as that's my job. So quick tour. So quite mossy, relatively faded. There's a few weeds this side, however they kind of border on the neighbours' paving, so I'll do what I can to keep that neat. I'm gonna have to have a bit of finesse about that, try and not mark their stuff. I know it'll obviously be clean, but it'll look different for them, so yeah, it's not too bad. It's only a small job, just like yesterday's. I had two small jobs. I'm going to cut this grass border back so that you can actually see the edge of the blocks, and this is sort of protected area, protected by the car, so we're looking for something like this at the end. And I'm going to clean under the window there as well. I'm just being quiet because it's fairly early, but I don't know why that matters, because I'm about to start a pressure washer and it's going to be extremely loud. So yeah, we'll get started. This job's small enough that I'm just going to bust out old trusty 15 metre hose that's a bit beaten up, but you know, I'll get nice pressure with it, so instead of having like 50 metres of hose and losing a little bit of pressure over it, I'll just throw that on.
Yeah.
Okay guys, chemical treatment's down. I'm not actually sure if I captured the whole thing on video, but because I think the camera might have died on me. But yeah, I literally used the absolute last of my chemical. Well, the chemical that I had with me at least anyway. Literally ended up pouring out the last drabs onto the drive just down here. So I've agitated it all, and I'm probably just going to leave it as it is for about half an hour, because my friend Dexter's here, DJK plastering. So we're just going to go hang out for a bit, and yeah, we'll rinse down and then clean the road up, and that'll be us done. Alright guys, I'm done on the cleaning side of things. I've just finished the rinse down. I'm just waiting for it all to dry. You can see it all there behind me. What was I saying? Tired. Yeah, I'm just going to wait for it to dry and then resand. I'm probably going to just head home for an hour and let this all dry up, because I only live like 15 minutes away. So I'm going to go home, have a bit of food, check on that pigeon that I picked up yesterday, and yeah, see what happens. But yeah, as it's come out, pretty damn nice. We got rid of basically every bit of any lichen, and all the black spots are basically gone. Just a few patches that are still drying because they were deep, just where the drive's sunken in. But yeah, generally speaking, pretty happy with that one. I think it's come out really nice, and had a few comments from the neighbours as well, so I'm going to leaflet this whole area and see can we maybe procure a couple more jobs out of it. Alright, I'll catch you in a few minutes.